What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? As you can tell, we've got the head back. Took a little bit longer than I was expecting. They said Monday or Tuesday. I was kind of taking it as Monday or Tuesday of like drop it off on Saturday, Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday. That was not the case. Turns out it takes a week to tell me that we have bad valves. No kidding. So we're gonna rectify that. We've got a full SuperTech valve train, and again with the cost savings, we're gonna try and do it ourselves. So what we got here is we got some clover grinding and lapping compound. We've got some fine and some coarse. We've got some spinny sticks. They're valve lapping tools, and the piece de resistance is this valve spring compressor that I bought off eBay, or not eBay, Amazon. Bought it on Amazon, so for like 30 bucks. Looked pretty good, and it's for case rings. The goal for tonight is to see what exactly is necessary in terms of valve guides. So I'm hoping to tear all this junk out and see if our new valves will just go in with the normal guides. If there's not too much play, we'll use those valve guides. Otherwise, we will have to look at taking it back to the machine shop to do the valve guides, because you know, we literally tried this for budget and I did not think about the valve guides. We're gonna go ahead and start digging into it. Alright, so I think we found a problem. First, if you look in this head, you'll see down there, you can see the valve guides in the bottom there. It's with those two circular things that kind of look like the pupils of an eyeball. You can see there's a set in both the upper and the lower. If you come over here though, you'll notice that one of those is drastically different. This guy right here. I think that means that that one needs to be replaced. That's bad. Well, unfortunately, due to this busted valve guide right down there, we're not even going to attempt to do that valve guide. Don't know what to do about that. So instead of sitting here and potentially making that worse for ourselves, we're going to take this thing and this stack of parts. We're going to take the stack of parts and we're going to take it back to the machine shop and let them, the experts, deal with it. That's frustrating. This is a glimpse of why I typically don't put out certain videos, or I sit on them for a while. It's because things like this don't go according to plan. But that's okay, as long as you guys are okay with watching or understanding. Shit happens. That's how you roll with it. So unfortunately that's going to be the end of this video for now. Sometimes you just got to keep hitting that brick wall as hard as you can just to get somewhere. So that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned in the next one. Hopefully we'll get this thing back completely assembled and ready to go on the motor. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.